I'm feeling Mappy, 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 Mappy. What up, everybody? Super Map competition is here. Win a free trip to inbound. Not just a ticket. I'm talking about transportation and staying there. How do you do this? This is the map competition. Let's give some of the who, what, when, where, and why. Who can submit? Anybody can submit anything to the map competition. This is not just HubSpot specific because Super works anywhere. What to submit is, you'll see it, is we've now introduced the ability to publicly share your cards. You can even do PDF export. So the submission itself is a PDF export and then posting it in LinkedIn. We'll talk about more how you're doing that. Who is judging these submissions? Because we are, as we expect hundreds, is how are we judging this? It is Kyle Jepson, the HubSpot evangelist himself, that will be judging and announcing who wins. Some examples of some good use cases that perhaps could be some of the winners are ones like how to use Clay and HubSpot to create a tailored prospecting list and execution. How to use Zapier and HubSpot to create sophisticated lead routing that goes beyond OPSO. How to use and automate HubSpot and ClickUp to make a superior customer onboarding experience. These are, you can think cross-platform, think how often am I providing impact and what is the impact and how large is itself. Those are the criteria you're using to judge the maps. You can submit as many as you would like. When we are accepting and starting this competition at March 5th, today at 8 a.m. Probably this announcement's already passed that. We're starting submissions right now until Friday at 10 a.m. ET. The winner will be announced on March 12th at the HubSpot Admin HUG with Kyle Jepson. Where, again, how you submit these. These are submitted on LinkedIn. You do a post, tag Supered, and have the hashtag feeling Mappy. And then we'll be able to track that and have the submission and be able to look at those itself. So make sure you're doing a hashtag and feeling Mappy. And why do you do this? Number one, free trips to inbound. That's pretty darn cool. But it's even cooler is it's time to share the awesomeness of HubSpot admins everywhere. As we begin to build the ecosystem and show HubSpot is not just for SMB, it is the enterprise CRM of the future. Let's share the awesomeness in this ecosystem with the world. Stay awesome, keep doing it big, and never stop. Adios, everybody. What's a map? Will you please show me? I have no clue what this thing is you talk about. Let me show you real quick. This just launched, and you're seeing a little bit. A map is the ability to navigate any platform, any URL, any process, and be able to create them at scale inside of Super. Here's a great example. So I have a card called How to Create a Map, and I created this map using my Chrome extension to create it. And inside of this, I'm going through LinkedIn, and I'm saying, here's how I update my profile. So I'm going click, click, click. It takes all these things, save, boom, finish, boop, it's done. Now I can make this for anything. This is a step-by-step walkthrough of any process across any platform doing something that you want people to do. And you can capture these in seconds. Once you have them, you can then serve them to your team. So example, now if I'm inside How to Create a Map, that card, when I look up, is How to Create a Map, is now here. It's the exact same thing, and I can get started and navigate. And I can even click LinkedIn. It's going to take me to LinkedIn, and it'll take me to the right step. So now I get started, and I can go through, navigate here, click, go. And now I can just follow the steps directly inside the Chrome extension. That is a map, my friends. And let us get Mappy, because I know I'm feeling Mappy. Stay awesome, keep doing it big, and go forth and be awesome.